Within the dim untouched shadows of the Milky Way lies an extremely frigid quiet place. The Boomerang Nebula stands as a lonely cosmic wanderer eternally guarding the cold winter void. Enveloped in extreme icy chill, it cuts off all noisy chaos echoing from the outer cosmic space. Tonight follow this serene icy stillness, release all accumulated physical and mental fatigue and sink into the deepest, most undisturbed peaceful dreams. Do you feel heavy weariness deep inside your heart, longing to escape this restless world filled with trivial warmth and endless anxiety? The Boomerang Nebula builds a solid, tranquil defensive barrier with incomprehensible extreme cosmic coldness. Let this icy coolness traveling across countless light years wash away all restlessness and irritability lingering in your mind and drift steadily into serene peaceful slumber amid absolute profound stillness. As shimmering starlight slowly fades away, the world is left with nothing but the frozen bleak outline of the Boomerang Nebula. It remains utterly silent yet displays decisive persistent strength, interpreting the purest form of solitude within the vast universe. Tonight abandon all restless desire for knowledge, purely sense the transparent penetrating coldness, and let this icy breath flowing from the deepest cosmic void turn into the softest soothing lullaby resting gently beside your pillow. If you seek a quiet forgotten sanctuary hidden deep within the boundless universe, the exact coordinate of the Boomerang Nebula will undoubtedly be your destination. This desolate cosmic region carries a temperature far colder than the average emptiness of outer space, as if the entire universe has abandoned all excess warmth within this lonely frozen corner. Tonight curl up beside softly flickering bonfires and follow this effortless tranquil tale to explore the quiet eternal life of this frigid cosmic entity known universally as the Boomerang Nebula. It is a timeless cosmic wanderer defined purely by extreme bitter cold. It never struggles against natural cosmic laws nor drifts aimlessly through empty space, maintaining an almost stagnant motionless posture, freezing every passing tiny atom into eternal silent poetry within the profound dark void. No human being can accurately trace the original primitive appearance of the Boomerang Nebula. It was born from the final muted cry of a dying aging star. When the ancient star gradually exhausted its internal energy, it avoided magnificent blazing stellar explosions, ejecting scattered cosmic matter in an eerie gentle manner. At this quiet moment it resisted the incoming empty nothingness through extreme freezing cold. This decisive instinctive self-preservation turned it into a unique icy crack. Quietly embedded within the vast dark cosmos, most external scientific observations remain cold, rational and curiously indifferent. Few people truly perceive the endless blizzard eternally swirling deep within its frozen core. This piercing coldness never symbolizes lifeless extinction. Instead it acts as a silent gentle defense, carefully guarding the last faint glimmer of fading starlight. If the entire Milky Way resembles a bustling noisy cosmic market, the Boomerang Nebula stands as an isolated towering icy tower standing aloof from trivial chaos. It never relies on shining stellar illumination to confirm its own existence, for it is the purest source of bitter cold, the final peaceful sanctuary for all heat escaping from bright burning stars. Throughout its lengthy silent existence it gradually learns to coexist harmoniously with endless void, transforming transparent bone-chilling cold into reassuring inner tranquility. Countless astronomical observers attempt to measure its continuously expanding boundary, yet they are often overwhelmed by its immeasurable icy calm. Beyond being an ordinary stellar nebula, it acts as a solemn quiet guardian, safeguarding the oldest loneliest memories sealed within the vast universe. Countless tiny stardust particles absorbed into its frozen embrace slumber peacefully for hundreds of millions of years, never disturbed by fleeting bursts of trivial warmth. People often misunderstand the Boomerang Nebula, blindly assuming its icy form will slowly melt and fade away with the passage of time, yet the entire lifespan of this frigid nebula gently contradicts this shallow presumption. The colder it becomes, the more awe-inspiring unbreakable toughness it reveals. This unique inner resilience allows it to exist as an absolute insulated vacuum zone amid scorching cosmic furnaces, where stellar temperatures often reach millions of degrees. Within this tiny isolated enclosed space, the universal law of entropy seems to lose its inherent power, and flowing time slows down into thick sluggish gentle motion. Nothing matters more than preserving its pure bitter cold. This immutable persistence forms its solemn cosmic dignity, echoing silently across the endless void while the outer universe continuously collapses, disintegrates and reconstructs itself. The Boomerang Nebula retains its cold composed expression, watching countless celestial beings come and go without the slightest inner fluctuation. Human researchers have repeatedly attempted to measure the extreme temperature limit of the Boomerang Nebula, only to be gently repelled by its penetrating bone-chilling frost. Scientists marvel at its harsh, suffocating, freezing environment, yet overlook the subtle tragic beauty hidden beneath its extreme cold exterior. It was not born naturally cold and indifferent. It hardens itself into an unyielding icy sanctuary, Solely to bear countless unspoken cosmic sorrows, it acts as an emotional carrier of the boundless universe, sealing faint broken residual starlight beneath thick layers of eternal ice. Even trapped within such harsh desolate conditions, it maintains elegant artistic grace, its pure icy coldness capable of soothing every restless chaotic human thought. It gently teaches us a precious quiet truth: maintaining a cold clear original heart amid extreme harsh environments is in itself a tender kindness toward all living beings. As your vision gradually blurs and your consciousness floats gently within this icy quiet cosmic space, the Boomerang Nebula remains stationary, waiting silently in the distant void. It requires no human understanding, remembrance, or recognition. Its mere peaceful existence serves as the most soothing remedy, healing our overheated restless mortal world. Tonight, stop overanalyzing and dissecting its mysterious bitter cold. This pure icy tranquility acts as your safest natural sleeping pill, freezing all trivial worldly warmth and troubles outside your peaceful inner world. As your breathing slowly slows down, your wandering scattered thoughts settle gently like tiny frozen stardust, achieving absolute stillness and serene stability. Feel this transparent refreshing coldness. Let your heartbeat gradually soften and slow down. Once more drift peacefully into deep undisturbed sleep, sheltered beneath the broad icy wings of the Boomerang Nebula, embracing the purest dreamless tranquil slumber hidden within this vast boundless universe.